We offer both CTO, ad interim, and staff engineering services. And while each service is powerful in some, we believe that the real impact happens when we can combine them. Our CTOs at interim focus on high-level technical strategy. We work alongside your leadership team or take the CTO role if necessary. Whether it's refining your technical roadmap, making key architectural decisions, or aligning your technical strategy with business goals, we help navigate your company's most critical challenges from the top. But strategy alone isn't enough. That's why we also bring in our staff engineering team to work directly with your engineers down in the trenches. They help implement the strategy, guide and mentor your team, solving complex technical issues, and ensure best practices are followed on the job while contributing to your code base. Our staff engineers can either join as team leads or just as team members, depending on what's necessary to get the job done. By combining both services, we cover all aspects of your technical challenges, from the strategic decisions in the boardroom to the implementation details down into the code base. We work holistically to make sure the company is set up for success. This approach enables us to have the greatest impact and truly be at our best. Our ultimate goal is to level up your team. We help your engineers grow in skills and confidence while addressing any technical roadblocks along the way. Once we believe the team is operating at the right level and the technical challenges are solved, we step back, leaving your company stronger and better equipped to thrive on its own.